What is the difference between is equal to and dot equals method in Java? Is equal to checks for reference equality, i.e., whether the two references point to the same object in memory. Dot equals method from object class is usually overridden to provide custom equality checks for objects. Explain the concept of OOP, object-oriented programming, in Java. OOP is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which can contain data in the form of fields, attributes, and code in the form of procedures, methods. Key principles include encapsulation, inheritance, abstract. What is polymorphism in Java? Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class or as instances of their actual class. In Java, polymorphism is achieved through method overriding and method overloading. What are the access modifiers in Java? Java provides 4 access modifiers: private, protected, public, and default, no modifier. These modifiers control the visibility of classes, methods, and other members. What is the difference between abstract classes and interfaces? Abstract classes can have method definitions, concrete methods, along with abstract method declarations, whereas interfaces can only have abstract method declarations. Prior to Java 8, a class can implement multiple interfaces. What is servlet? Servlets are Java classes used to extend the capabilities of servers that host applications accessed by means of a request-response programming model. Explain JSP, Java Server Pages. JSP is a technology that helps developers create dynamically generated web pages based on HTML, XML, or other document types. It allows Java code and certain predefined actions to be embedded into static content. What is JDBC? JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, is a Java API used to connect and execute queries with the database. What is JPA, Java Persistence API? JPA is a Java specification for accessing, persisting, and managing data between Java objects classes and a relational database. What is the Spring Framework? Spring is a lightweight, open-source framework for the development of enterprise-level applications in Java. It provides comprehensive infrastructure support and promotes good design practices. Explain dependency injection, DI, in the context of Spring. DI is a technique in which an object receives its dependencies from an external source rather than creating them itself. Spring Framework uses DI to manage components and their dependencies. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is an extension of the Spring Framework that simplifies the initial setup and development of Spring-based applications. It provides auto-configuration and embeds a web server, reducing the need for XML configuration. What are some popular libraries or frameworks used for front-end development in Java full-stack applications? Examples include Angular, React, Vue.js, and ThymeLeaf. How does RESTful Web Services work in Java? RESTful Web Services in Java can be implemented using JXRS, Java API for RESTful Web Services, or Spring MVC, which provide annotations to define REST endpoints and manage HTTP requests and responses. Behavioral and scenario-based questions. Describe a challenging problem you faced during a project and how you resolved it. Provide a specific example from your experience that demonstrates problem-solving skills, teamwork, if applicable, and technical expertise. How do you keep yourself updated with the latest technologies and trends in Java development? Discuss any relevant courses, conferences, books, or online resources you regularly use to stay informed and improve your skills. These questions cover a range of topics typically encountered in interviews for Java full-stack developer positions. Tailor your answers based on your experience and understanding of these concepts to effectively showcase your skills and knowledge during the interview.